Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So, not much went on yesterday, being a Monday as normal, and I don't think we're going to get the pullbacks that I would be comfortable with, which would be all the way back to 19050. So we're going to need to watch this on lower time frames. If you look at it on the higher time frames, oscillators are not really offering any advice for us at the moment. And the minute you go down to the lower time frames, you'll see it'll slowly start changing. So from a 3-hour perspective, oscillators have separated. And we have crossed over. And then if you look at that swing low in relation to the next swing low, you can see it's a higher low, whereas the oscillators are lower lows. So there is bullish divergence here as well. Now, there's a couple of things on the cards here. So there is a double top play, which I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people playing at the moment. But at the same time, there's bullish and there's bearish setups. So I'm going to show you now. When you start looking at the hour, just do this. Spot the flag. So strong move down, flag. You would expect a second move down. And I just want to get a target here. And that's the first move. And then what you want to do, get it off the top. Not really too keen about targeting those areas, but I would target that area. So 19,300. So that's the first downside move, but obviously we need a break of this channel and a retest of the channel. So in other words, more than likely that area 19,383, we need a break and a retest, and then you've got a very small move to the downside of 77 points. I don't think I'm really interested in that at the moment. The other thing that we need to bear in mind is this double top is 120 points, which does target the underside here. Let's just go to the 8-hour. There is nothing there. And there's nothing on the 3-hour. So that's the bearish structure. But if you look at the 15-minute, you've got some bullish structure here. So this area at 19,383 is also a flat bottom triangle. If you just use this trend line from the channel, and then the upper side, you'll see we broke through it yesterday, we're back above it. So any support here at 19,383, and even coming down back into this channel, I'd expect there would be an opportunity to buy into this for a move up. You've got gaps to the upside. You've got a very strong all-time high, which is also in play. And then when you look at this on the 8-hour, you'll see strong move up, and this is looking like a bull flag, and here's another bull flag here on the 3-hour. So this trend is to the upside, so obviously we want to go with the trend. So I will ignore the bearish structure that we're seeing at the moment, and what I'd be looking for is support. So wait for the market to open. This 19,383, you could possibly drop a little bit lower. Just want to double check we're not missing anything else here. One more there. Okay, so 3 levels to watch are 19,383, 19,373, and 19,365. You're looking for an opportunity to buy, and you're looking to test this all-time high again at 19,487. That is the move that I have for today. And yeah, just wait and be patient. Don't try jump in now. Wait for the market open, and then you've got the opportunities as soon as you see price action. And that means inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars on these levels, not closing halfway below the level or just above the level. The tail must be on this level, must preferably pierce the level, come back, and the candle must close above it. Pretty much like this pin bar that you see here. Do that. See that pin bar on the level. That's what you're looking for. Okay, anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.